In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read and export custom reports in Facebook Events Manager efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to a search engine. Type in Meta Business Suite and hit search. This tool is where we'll be working today, as it integrates various features that help you manage your Facebook events effectively. Once your search results pop up, look for the link that includes facebook.com in its URL. This will ensure you're heading to the official site. Click on that and it'll take you straight to where we need to be. If this is your initial visit to the Meta Business Suite, you'll notice a Get Started prompt on the landing page. Click it to begin setting up your workspace. However, if you've been here before, you can simply hover over the avatar icon to find the login option. Enter your Facebook credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the option labeled Ads Reporting in the navigation bar. Click on it to access a comprehensive suite of tools designed for analyzing ad performance and effectiveness. Once inside the Ads Reporting section, take a look at the list of your saved reports. You'll see all the custom reports you've saved previously. If you want to examine a particular report, simply click on its name or use the View Report option. This will load the report, allowing you to dive into the details. Within your selected report, you'll find an array of options for customizing the information. You can alter the metrics and breakdowns to view the data differently. Additionally, there are several visualization options available. You can switch seamlessly between different chart views, such as a pivot table, trend chart, or bar graph, to better understand how your events and ad campaigns are performing. After examining and adjusting the report to your satisfaction, you may wish to export it for sharing or further analysis. To do this, head back to the main list of saved reports. Identify the report you want to export and check the box beside it. At the top of the screen, you'll see an Export option appear. Select it and follow any further prompts to complete the export process. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and analyze your events using the Facebook Events Manager. Feel free to explore different chart types, export options, and reports to gain insights and drive your marketing strategy forward. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this.